Got the John Deere here.
Yeah. Those farm fish that we catch on the farm.
Alright, show me the ropes here.
Okay.
I'll just play around for a little bit, but... Okay, so... What's what?
Okay, what kind of degree do you have?
Fuck. Not a huge one.
You.
Yeah, it's been a while. I know that, and then, god damn it.
Yeah, that's not good. Yeah, if you want to cut, I don't know what you want to do if you want to. Probably not right now. Not when it's raining. It's gonna.
It's fun. Guess she goes a bit quicker in fifth and stuff, eh?
Oh, yeah.
So, yeah.
It's hard to cut grass when you're in fifth.
Oh, well, no shit, but fun to drive around in. All right, thanks, man. That was a. I'll definitely do some mowing though, if you want me to.
Yeah.
I can when it's nicer out, of course, because it's.
This is a big slab.
Yeah, it's pissing out rain, but I'll get some mowing done one of these days.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Yeah. So Jesse's out here. He's playing his guitar, and we're rocking and rolling.
Jesse,
Yeah, yo.
Yeah.
did you get my sign language?
I did.
What did it say?
It said tacos.
No.
Tacos.
T-A.
T O
You said A.
M
Yeah.
O
Tomo.
T O
What the fuck is Tomo?
Tomoto.
Tomoto.
Tomato.
Tomato.
Tomato spelled a little differently than that.
I spelled it with an A the first time.
No.
You gotta go over the field there and
You
grab
realize you're on camera right now.
Yeah, I got.
So everyone knows that you're an
T
idiot.
Yeah, so that he
M
I think he got it the first time. He got it the first time.
Everyone's gonna think you're my special needs father.
Short bus, where's the
I know
short
sign
bus?
language. Here we go.
He's the one rocking sign language.
Greenhouse.
No, they're pretty much gone. Okay.
Hey, are you gonna go get
With you anyway. Grab some tomatoes. Yeah, tomatoes. Okay, so I'll have to get tomatoes. And he didn't even drop the guitar. He just brought it with you. Yeah, that works too, eh?
Gotta get tomatoes.
Life on the farm. Gotta get
Gotta
tomatoes.
pick them from the earth.
Oh, I've
You don't go to the store.
who is?
I think Sue told me this was their last year.
Oh, why is she booting everyone out? Seems like Sue wants this place empty, eh?
She wants to do her own and sell it, I think.
Well, I guess there's the people that do work out here. They've been here for years, eh? Like since even before Sue owned the place. So.
Well, Annie, I met her. She's really nice. Tomato.
Lots of apples.
Oh, there's one. I got one tomato.
How big is it? A baby tomato? Yeah, it's just a baby.
Size.
Okay, what we're gonna have to do is check out those zucchinis though, eh? Holy shit! Look at these zucchinis, just fucking here.
That's bigger than my head.
Here, hold that. I just want to show off this.
Zucchini? Can you like zoom in on it?
You can, but I wouldn't bother. Holy shit, man!
Oh, I figured it.
Yeah, you figured it?
That is a big ass zucchini.
That is fucking huge, man. That is weird. Like, how did we get this big? Like, Hold it up to your head.
That's bigger than my head. That's bigger than my head. And they're all like this. There's like 10 of them in here.
That's gotta be a heavy barrel.
There you go. Oh wait, what do we have here?
Fuck, a whole shitload of tomatoes.
This looks like tomatoes to me.
My dad was right.
But they don't look that great, eh? Like that one's probably the best.
Well, we put them in tacos, so it doesn't really fucking matter, dude.
Those are green peppers too.
As long as they're red.
Can you even grab a
I don't know. I'm shooting at tomatoes, dude.
green pepper?
This is like life on the farm.
Exactly, life on the farm.
Aren't these jalapenos?
Are they? No, that's a green pepper. I think so.
Bite it.
I dare ya. Oh, jeez. No, do it. Here, I gotta film this. Bite it.
It's not a jalapeno.
No, it's not. What is it?
It's the tiniest green pepper I ever.
They're probably just, not mature because they've
This
already.
is probably tomato, dude. Yeah, this is definitely a tomato. Look at the inside.
Why does it look like a like that looks like a that does
Some
not.
nasty ass green tomato. I just bit into it.
I'll give it to your dad.
It's not that bad.
He'll like it. Well, we got the veggies. Oh, you done with it?
Yeah.
No more? No more.
I will eat my
Oh, the baby tomatoes, those are great. Oh, yeah. And we visit Steve. See what the hell he's doing. Oh, jeez. Steve. It's a word. It's a good word. Yeah, because last night there was no supports here or there. So the steps have to come down. Steve's got the bar. Watch out. This is where, who's going to be the bartender at our bar?
Whoever wants to be.
Yeah, so we got to put the bar in, I guess.
I'm sure that you'll like it.
Yeah. Like, that's like a desk finish almost. There you go. You actually gonna put that in like soon, or maybe? Maybe? I think Steve's a little bit proud of this, eh? Nice piece of wood, nice fit. Nice fit. I like it. Good stuff. Good stuff. I was gonna say you look like you had some serious thoughts going on there about what's gonna happen here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you look like you were thinking. What was your plan?
Oh no, I'm just planning.
Just the whole upstairs situation, eh? Measurements and stuff. Oh, don't fall, buddy. Don't fall.
Not much holding this up.
Yeah. If you do fall, it's gonna fall on me. We're both doomed. No, we're safe. I don't even hear a creak. You doing good? I'd say it's pretty safe up there. What in the hell was that? So the upstairs is here.
You won't just stand there, every hand you boards pretty soon.
Handing me hordes?
Yeah.
Oh, great. Yeah, I'm done. Helped out a little bit though, so. Yeah, you got some stuff done, so. Fuck. Rock and roll. More of the upstairs has come off.
Friday's fiesta day, so
Friday?
Friday nights.
Fiesta. Where's the Fiesta?
Olé, fiesta.
Yeah. Time to paint the fence. Because it looks like crap, so let's paint it. You can see that I did get it painted on the outside at least, and it looks a lot better than before because it was all like the bottom down there, eh? So I still got to do the bottom, but even just right now, a little bit of drips on there, but that's okay because this fence is only temporary and it's going to come down. There's going to be a new fence put in here. Maybe with some taller lattice. I'm not really sure. Alright, done.